The Emerald Tablet, the archaeology of ancient logic. The legend says it was found in a cave tomb. Some say Alexander the Great discovered it. Others claim Sarah, the wife of Abraham, pulled it from the earth near Hebron. Whether you believe the archaeological myth or the historical paper trail, one thing is certain: the Emerald Tablet, or the Tabula Smaragdina, is the most influential cheat sheet ever written. It is a cryptic, one-page manifesto that allegedly contains the secrets of the entire universe. Today, we aren't just looking at a piece of green stone. We are tracing the emerald thread, from the prehistoric temples of Thoth to the modern laws of physics. To understand the tablet, we have to go back to pre-dynastic Egypt. Before the pharaohs, there was Thoth, the god of equilibrium, the scribe who wrote the universe into existence. When the Greeks arrived in Egypt, the historian's insight: the dots connect here. The tablet is the bridge. It took the Egyptian mastery of the physical world, alchemy, and married it to Greek philosophical inquiry. It was the first unified field theory. For centuries, the tablet was a ghost. We see its first physical appearance in Arabic texts from the 8th century, translated by the alchemist Jabir ibn Hayyan. It eventually bled into Europe, becoming the holy grail for men like Isaac Newton. In fact, Newton's private papers contained his own translation of the tablet. He wasn't just looking for gravity. He was looking for the prima materia described on that green stone. The Seven Principles. The tablet is dense and poetic, but in 1908, a text called the Kybalion decoded it into 7 principles. This is the step-by-step guide to the Hermetic mind. The principle of mentalism. The all is mind. The universe is mental. The tablet begins by implying that the universe is a grand thought. If the universe is mental, then your mind is the clay. To change your life, you don't move things. You move thoughts. 2. The principle of correspondence. As above, so below. As below, so above. This is the tablet's most famous line. It means the macrocosm, the stars, and the microcosm, your cells, are mirrors. If you want to understand how a galaxy works, look at a seashell. 3. The principle of vibration. Nothing rests. Everything moves. Everything vibrates. Even this solid emerald tablet is just a collection of vibrating atoms. Hermeticists taught that spirit is just a high-frequency vibration and matter is a low one. 4. The principle of polarity. Everything is dual. Everything has poles. There is no opposite. Cold is just a lack of heat. Evil is just a lack of good. They are two ends of the same stick. The master doesn't fight the bad. They just slide the scale toward the good. The principle of rhythm. Everything flows out and in. The pendulum swing manifests in everything. The tides. The rise and fall of empires, your own moods. Everything has a beat. The secret is neutralization, learning to stand still while the pendulum of life swings beneath you. The principle of cause and effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. There are no accidents. Most people are billiard balls being hit by life. The Hermeticist seeks to be the cue ball, the one who initiates the movement. The principle of gender. Gender is in everything. Masculine and feminine principles. Not just sex, but energy. The masculine is the will, the seed. The feminine is the creativity, the soil. After the Renaissance, Hermeticism didn't disappear, it went pro. It became the foundation of modern chemistry, the new thought movement, and even quantum physics, which increasingly looks like the principle of mentalism with more math. We began with an archaeological myth, a green tablet in a dusty tomb. But we end with a realization: the tablet isn't a map of a place. It's a map of how reality works. Please subscribe, like, and comment.